Good morning, everyone. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. 3-point shot by Morales. No good. Rebound by Mr. De Guzman. Same ball. Rakaido pass to Rapoy, to Manalaysay. Manalaysay signal niya play. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman. Nice pass to De Guzman. Blocked by Lamparas. Here comes Lamparas. Lamparas. Nice pass to good ball movement to Duran, to Lamparas for 3. No good rebound by Moreno. No, I mean, is that Benitez? Sorry, Benitez. The score is all 2. Tabla po. Here comes Mr. Manalaysay. Pass to Mr. Rapoy, to De Guzman. De Guzman. Okay, still there by completed by Mr. Morales. Morales for 3. No good. Fancy loose ball. Foul. Marco Polo. Marco Polo, that's your first foul. I like that, see? Now to Guzman.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Guzman. Drop shot. What's your call, rep? Loose ball foul, number 7. Rakaido. First team foul. Three-point shot by Mr. Marco Polo. The score is 5-2. Rakaido. Nice pass to Mr. De Guzman. Here comes Duran. Duran to Benitez. To Lampard, to Morales, to Captain Mondina. Drive. 2 points by Mr. Mondina. The score is 7-4 in favor of a foul. Doon sa kabila. Yan sila. That is your second foul, Mr. Marco Polo. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. 2 free throws. Okay, the first free throw is good by Mr. The Hawk. Oh, rebound by Rakaido. 2 points by Mr. Rakaido. The score is all 7 now. All 7. Oh, long rebound by. Nice by Mr. Lamparas. No good. Okay, ping ball. Ping ball. Oh, good steal by Benitez. Wow, Benitez. That's a good steal, Mr. Benitez. Morales to Mr. Lamparas for 3. Rebound by De Guzman. Steal again by Benitez. Oh!
Wow.
That's 2 steals by Mr. Benitez. Here comes Rapoy. Pass to Rakaido. To Manalaysay. To De Guzman. to Stewie. To Manalaysay, to Rangaido for 2 points.
That's so many passes.
Okay, SDS now leads by 2 now. Captain Mondina. Captain Mondina, up. It's good move. Pass to Mr. Benitez for 3. No good, rebound by Lambaras. It's a double dribble. Good block by Mr. Stewie. I think the team switched here is 0 for 4 in the 3-point shot. No, they only have 1. 3-point shot by Laguna, good. Rebound by Benitez. Benitez. Pass to Morales for 3. No good again. Rebound by Stewie to Rakaido. Rebound by Rakaido. Another 2 points by Mr. Rakaido. The score is 11-7.
7-11.
Morales to Benitez to Captain Mondina. Here comes Mondina. This is a nice pass to Mr. Lamparas. No good by Lamparas. Comes Mr. Rapuy to Rakaido. 3-point shot by Rakaido. 3. The score is 14-7. 7-point lead by Team SDS. Here comes Mr. Mondina. Mondina. What? Steal by Mr. Di Guzman. Now Manalaysay. Okay, slow down. He slowed the game. Here comes Rakaido. 3-point shot again by Rakaido. Again. Timeout. Team Switch City. After a very good start. Here comes sister number 8, Gonzalez to Morales. Good fake. Back to Pan Gonzalez to Captain Mondina. Kick ball. Turnover. No, not turnover. Same ball. Okay, Rocky is inbounding the ball. It's a good. Okay, pass to Captain Mondina. Captain Mondina. Nice pass to Rocky. No good. Rebound by Rakaido. Pass to Manalaysay. Manalaysay slowed the ball down to Stewie. Nice pass to Escalante. No good. Rebound by Morales. Pass to number 1 to Morales for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Rakaido. Foul. Holding foul by number 30, Mr. John Roque. That's your first foul and 13 fouls. Here comes Rapoy for 3. No good. Good save. Good save. Okay. Complete steal. Oh, nice. Ang gagaling po ng mga naglalaro. Rakaido for 2. Here comes Mr. Mondina. Here comes Mondina. To Morales.
3 seconds.
3 seconds by Mr. Turan. Turnover. Here comes Mr. Manalaysay. Good steal. Steal completed by number 10 Turan. Here comes Morales. Nice pass to Roque. 2 points by Mr. Roque. Natanggal na po ang pagkakabaho niyan sa... Ba't 10 yan? Ha? May nagprito ba? O, 9 lang. no time left. Time left. Yeah. Start. Here comes Rakaido. Shot, no good. Rebound by Lamparas. Here comes Lamparas. Nice pass to Duran. Oh, no good again. Oh, what happened to team? What happened to Team Sweet City now? There's a lot of shots, man. Okay. STS ball. Here comes Manalaysay. Pass to Stewie. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Lamparas. I think this is his fourth or fifth rebound already in the game. To run for three. No good again. Here comes Mr. Escalante. John Escalante. To Raboy. Pass to Mr. Stewie. Stewie. Sinentro po. Pass to Manalaysay. Back to Stewie. Okay, still. Here comes Lamparas. Up. Foul. Foul by Mr. Stewie. That's first team foul. First foul, Mr. Stewie. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Sub, rep, sub. Okay, pasok na po. Pasok na. Rocky in. Gonzalez out. Guzman in, Raboy out. Here comes Rocky for three. Foul. Foul. Who's foul rep? Okay, foul. Okay, good sportsmanship. Foul, Mr. Anthony De Guzman. Three free throws to be awarded to Mr. John Rocket, number 30. 30? No good. Second free throw is not good again. Let's see the last free throw shot by Mr. John Roque. It's good. The score is 10-19. Oh, good drive by Mr. De Guzman. 2 points. Here comes Mr. Captain Mondina. Guarded by Mr. Escalante. Right. 3-point shot by Morales, finally. Morales. 3. It's an 8-point lead now by the team SDS. Here comes Mr. De Guzman, shot, no good, rebound by Lamparas. It's intercepted, no, okay, not completed. Here comes Mr. Mondina to Morales, guarded by Mr. John Escalante. To Captain Mondina for 3. Good! 3-point shot by Mr. Mondina. Here comes Rakaido to Escalante. Shot by Escalante, rebound by foul. 2 free throws by the Hawk. Yeah, foul number 10 or number 1? Number 10. Okay, foul to run. It's your first team foul. To run. That's your first foul. First team foul, first free throw by Mr. De Guzman is good. 1. Let's see the second free throw. Good again. The score is 23-16. Here comes Captain John Mondina. Pass to Morales. Guarded by Manalaysay. Good crossover. Oh! Turnover by Team Swish City. Hold the ball. Cups up, reps up. Okay, good. Morales out. Gonzalez in. Duran out. Benitez in. Here comes Nakaido. Tumalay side. Block by Roque. Here comes Lamparas to Roque for 3. No good. Steal by Stewie. Here comes Nakaido. Nice pass to Guzman. No good. Okay, strong rebound by Mr. Mondina. Good rebound by Lamparas. 2 points by Mr. Marco Polo Lamparas. Here comes Nakaido. Shot, no good rebound by Roque. Okay. That ball, no? Rebound by Roque again. No good. Rebound by Guzman. Oh, foul again. It's a multi foul again. Stop, okay. What's the call, ref? Technical? Okay. Come on, guys. So how many free throw shots there, Mr. 4 free throws? One more. Yeah, it's good, 26. Two points by Mr. Guzman. Morales for 3 points by Mr. Morales, the Mighty Mouse. Here comes Mr. Guzman. Nice pass to Nakaido. 2 points by Mr. Nakaido. Here comes Mondina for 3. Rebound by Roque. Good shot. Okay, 2 points.
Swish.
I'm sorry? Okay, warning. We're delaying the game. Okay, here comes number 21, John Escalante. Because number 24 is Stewie. The Guzman shot, no good rebound again by Mr. Roque. Roque to Mr. Escalante. Okay, good defense. Steal again by Mr. Benitez. This Benitez already has 3 steals. Because Morales, another 2. Yeah, Morales again. Rakaido for 2 points. That is the big fundamentals there. Number 7. The score is 32-25, 7-point lead now by Team SDS. Oh, turnover! Up, left up, Duran, in, Gonzalez at last 10 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 3 points by Rakaido. Okay, the score is 35-25, the end of the second quarter. Okay, it's a Swish City ball. Okay, start. Okay, Morales, pass to number 1, Captain John Mondina. Black by Rakaido. Here comes Benitez. Okay, 3 seconds there by Captain Mondina. Here comes number 21, John Escalante, guarded by Mr. Captain. Pass to Di Guzman. 2 points by Mr. Di Guzman. Here comes John Roque for 3 by John Roque, number 13. John Roque, foul. That's your second foul, Mr. John Roque. First team foul. Here comes Mr. Rabuy to John Escalante. Shot, 2 points by John Escalante. Here comes number 11, Morales. Okay, turned over again by the team Swish. Foul again, Mr. Roque. That's your third foul, second team foul. How many shifts left? 2. Rebound by Escalante. Layup by Mr. Roque. Mali ata score mo yan. Rebound by Guzman. Black by number 30. Nice pass to number 7. 2 points by Rakaido. 9, 10, 17, 27. 3 by Roque again. 35-27 dapat kanina. 35, that's 35. City is 35. 1 minute pa. Good steal. Steal by Benitez. To Morales for three by Morales. Tama yung naging mo na? 38 yan. 35. Steal again by Morales. Here comes to Morales. To Benitez. Black. Oh, steal by De Guzman. It's Stewie. To Escalante. Steal by Modena. 3-point shot by Modena. No good. Rebound by Mr. Morales. Morales for three. No. Rebound by Stewie. Shot by Nakaino. No good. Rebound by Roque. Here comes the Swiss City now. Pass to Morales again for three. Again. Come on. Okay, here comes Escalante to Stewie. Stewie, number 24. To Nakaino. Nakaino. Rebound by De Guzman. And one. Foul. Raise your hand. Number 3, Mr. Benitez. That's your first foul. First one speed roll by Mr. De Guzman is good. We're back to a 5-point lead by the team STS after a 8-0 run. Here comes Modena, guarded by Escalante. Shot, 2 points. 2 points by Mr. Modena. Here comes Rakaido. No good. Rebound by Escalante. 2 points by Escalante. It's okay, son. It's at that moment. Here comes De Guzman. Layup. Rebound by number 3, Benitez. Okay, it's a slow down by Mr. John Modena. To Morales. Against Escalante for 3 again. Oh my goodness, Mr. Morales. You're alive again, huh? Here comes Mr. Stewie. Slow down, here comes De Guzman. No good and foul. Stop. After first free throw. That's your second foul, Mr. Duran. First free throw by Mr. De Guzman is no good. Let's see the second free throw. Stop. Benitez out. Number 13, Roque. Second free throw by Mr. De Guzman is good. The score is 49-46. Only 3-point lead now by Team Swiss City. To Modena. Calling for a player. Here comes Mr. Morales to Mr. John Roque. Fade away. Rebound by De Guzman. De Guzman. Dribbling. Pass to Rakaido. Blocked by Duran. Here comes Morales. Morales. The mighty mouse to John Modena. The captain. Foul. Number 12. Sino 12? 21. 21 Escalante. Oh, Mr. Captain John. Captain John. Alright. Stop the clock. All good? All good? Okay. Okay, you start the clock now. Okay, start the clock. Alright. 2 free throws to be awarded to Captain John Mondina. First free throw is good. Let's see the second one. It's good again. The lead is just 1 now. From, I think, the high of 12. Or still again by Morales. Here comes Mondina to Roque. He's set up. And now here comes Morales for 3. My goodness, that's your 4 3-point field goal made this quarter. Here comes De Guzman. 2 points by De Guzman. The score is tied, 51 all. Here comes Morales, guarded by Mr. John Escalante. We have picked by Mr. Nice pass to Duran, to John Roque. Shot, no good. Rebound by Duran, to Gonzalez, to John Roque. To Morales again. Rebound by Mr. Rakaido. No time. End of the third quarter. Wow, ganda na. All 51. Thanks to Mr. Morales for 3 points field goal made. Okay, Stewie to Raboy, to rebound to Stewie. Here comes Stewie. To Rakaido, to De Guzman. 2 points by Mr. De Guzman to start the fourth quarter. Ang ganda po ng laban, 2-point lead by the team STS. With a high of, the lead is high of by 12, I think. Oh, still. Stewie, 2 points. That is your first 2 points, Mr. Stewie. Rebound by Rakaido. To De Guzman. To John Escalante. Still, here comes Mr. Morales. To 3 points. Ilista na po. Time out. Team STS. 1-point lead by STS. Here comes Rakaido. Okay, no foul. Okay. Good defense by Mr. Turan. Here comes Roque for 3. No good. Foul. It's pushing. Pushing foul, Mr. De Guzman. Rabuy. The youngest player on the court. The living legend. That's your first foul, Mr. Living Legend. Here comes Duran for 3! Duran, that's your first points of the game in the fourth quarter, man. Here comes Rakaido. No good. Rebound by Mondina. Here comes Mondina. To Morales. Drive by Morales up. Steal. Here comes Escalante. Here comes Morales. 2 points by Mr. Morales. Delay the game. Okay, delay the game. So, technical foul. It's a technical foul already. First shot is good. Swiss City is leading now by 2 points. Swiss City is leading by 2 points, 59-57. Here comes Morales again. To Roque for 3. No good. Rebound by Durant. Rebound by Durant. What's called ref? A line violation. Turnover by Team Swiss City. Hold the ball. Raboy to John Escalante. Oops, almost still there by Mr. Corrino. Here comes Mr. De Guzman. Layup by Mr. De Guzman. The score is all again. That's, I think, our 4th tie of the game. Here comes Morales to Captain John. Morales, nice pass to Mr. Zeus Corrino. Rebound by Rakaido. Rakaido. Steal, not completed. Okay, comes Mr. Rakaido. The big fundamental. 3-point shot. Good. The score is 62-59. 3-point lead now by the team STS. Here comes Salmontina to John Roque for 3. 3. It's tie again. It's a very good ball game. Wow. Same ball. Now grabs up Benitez in. Zeus Corrino out. Zagreb. Escalante out. Stewie doing it. Stewie. Rebound by Stewie. Shot. No good. Rebound by Mr. Durant. To John Roque for 3 again. No good. Rebound by Stewie. Stewie. Dribbling. Pass to Mr. De Guzman. Rebound by De Guzman. Power. No good. Rebound by John Montina. A good pass to John Roque to Morales. Again. Nothing but net. The 3-point lead now by the team. That's a 4 shot, but it's good, still good. Huh? 2. Here comes Morales. Morales to Durant for 3. No good. Back to Morales. To Durant. No good. Rebound by De Guzman. Here comes Stewie. It's just a 1-point lead by the team Swiss City. Here comes Rakaido. Foul by Mr. John Roque. Let's see the 2 free throws by Mr. Rakaido. First one is good. Let's see the second one. Warning, Mr. Number 30. The second one is good again. Alright, okay. Sad ball. Here comes John Roque. Signal to play. Back to John Roque. To John Montina for three. Number shot. Good rebound by Mr. Benitez. To Mr. Morales. Oh, foul. Foul number 7. Sub rep. Second team foul. That's your second personal, Mr. Rakaido. Still 3 point shot by 3 foul. 3 free throws attempt. Number 5 foul. Yeah. Second foul, Mr. De Guzman. 13 fouls. Three free throws to be awarded to Mr. John Roque. First shot is no good. Second free throw is good. Let's see the next one. Good again. It's good steal by the right. Good. Okay, to set the ball. It's just 56, 55, 54 seconds, 52, 16 seconds shot clock. To John Roque, to Benitez for 3. Rebound by Rakaido. Timeout. No timeout left for the team STS. Switch. I don't know. Yeah. You still have 2 timeouts, okay? You get ready at timeout. 35 seconds.
Get set, bro. Hey, push.
Okay, no good. He goes to run to Morales.
Hold it.
Foul by Escalante. 14 fouls. Foul again by Escalante. That's your 3rd foul. 15 foul. Last one. Foul by Mr. Manalaysay. Penalty.
Hey.
Up at 6 and 6. One more foul. Foul again by Mr. Manalaysay. Penalty. Here comes the Mighty Mouse. Para tong si Mambay. I'm wondering if this Mighty Mouse is wala na. Trained by Mr. Kobe Bryant. Second free throw is good again. It's a 3-point lead. Steal!